Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today is Vlogmas, no, Vlogist. I always want to get that wrong. Let's go this way, the light is better that way. Okay, today is day 3, and it's Wednesday, so tomorrow on Thursday starts the Luck of the Draw 6 that's going to be hosted by Trish Mama Swift this time. So I will link her channel in the description box below so you can jump in and see what color it is. But I picked my colors and I wanted to share them with you real quick before I have to run out to go to the grocery. And this will then be August day 3. So yay. So it's, if you haven't done Luck of the Draw before, I know it keeps getting dark. I saw it every time I turn around, right? So if you haven't done Luck of the Draw, you can make a blanket, which probably, or you make anything you want. I'm going to make a wrap, which I talked about before. And so you have a base color. And my base color is going to be navy blue. And this navy blue is a Dreamweaver yarn that I used to be able to get at the discount store. I believe it's a Super Saver, you know, mill end. It is 100% acrylic. It is 12.35 ounces, 1,044 yards. It's for worsted weight. They didn't have colors on them or anything, and I probably got this for either $1.99 or $1.69, if you can't even believe that, when I bought them. But I would buy up the yarn, and I wasn't even knowing what I was doing at that time. But I knew the price was good. Then I'm keeping all this in my elephant bag that my cousin bought for me. I totally love it. Amanda had borrowed the bag and then she didn't do the project. So we were having a discussion in Zoom, well, the Zoom ladies and the some of the Zoom ladies and on the Nan's Next Knot messenger chat, and what colors everybody was picking. So I decided to go, I wanted to be like kind of autumnish colors, and this is like a night sky, and you're looking at the autumn leaves, right? That's my kind of feel for it. So I have this red, and this was in a different Luck of the Draw, but I have another skein of it, so that's fine. This is, I love this yarn in the color Cranberry. I used this in Luck of the Draw 4 for my Christmas blanket. So this is the remainder of this skein, and then I have another one. So this represents kind of Trish because it's red. And this one is also, I love this yarn, and all the yarn is 100% acrylic, I believe. This one is called Terracotta. And then I have this one, which is called Desert Glaze, and it is also, and I love this yarn, but it's an orangish color to go along with this one, which is Red Heart Super Saver in the color Carrot. So we're going with orange for Lala. Blue was for Jan and Lynn. Got to get some blue in there. And there's another orangish kind of color that is called Burnt Pumpkin. Also, I love this cotton, or I love this yarn. I have not given the colors numbers yet, so I don't know which is going to be which. And I went for one neutral tan color called Light Taupe. And I love this one. This is a big twist. This is to help brighten it up. Like, I think these two colors are going to help brighten what would otherwise be a darker colors. So I picked out this one that is called Varsity Gold. I do have more than one of each of these colors just in case, except that blue. I should not run out of that. I'm only making a wrap. And I think I'm going to go maybe 24 inches wide. I'm going to play with it, but I think that's what it'll be. And then for me and all of my purple loving friends, yay, we've got purple. I had to add it in because it's my color. So this is what they look like together. I'm gonna hopefully get them all up in here. Up in here. And the blue. So that's what we're looking like. I think the blue is a nice contrast to the oranges-ish colors and the purple too. If you look on the color wheel, orange and blue are opposite each other, so I believe. So there, you put them together. I've never really liked orange and blue together, but I think it'll look good in this. And then the purple just is going to be in there because I like it. So that's my color scheme for Luck of the Draw 6 with this as the base. For a wrap, because hugs are free. Oh, there they go. Yarn on the floor. Okay, that's all really. I don't have a lot today. I have not crocheted much. It's still not sit down and relax time. I did do a little bit at work. I took my daughter's shirt with me. So this is what I did. This is how much I got done before work this morning. I just started it. Oh gosh, don't come on down. No, there it is. I just started it and I worked on it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that's how far I got. And then I didn't work on it on any of my breaks because I was too busy eating. Eating and resting. So that's what we got for you today. This is Vlogust day 3 in the books. Yay! I hope I can make it every day. That would be awesome. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.